Oceans of Fun.
We're at Oceans of Fun. We just got in. It's a Thursday and it's super busy, but it's gonna be pretty nice out. I think 92. Don't have too much fun now. Robbie, cold? Is it cold? Is it cold? Girls, is it cold? Somebody tell me, is it cold?
Yes.
Mike got cold?
Yeah.
Okay. They're going in the lazy river again.
Yeah. But you get to see what happens during the lazy river. Go under in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, let's go. Jump right here. Yeah. He's famous.
I think I watched the channel. Do you know what it's called? No, I can't read.
Do you know what it's about?
It's been a while, so I'm pretty sure. It's been a while.
Hold on, get that. Tell him the name, tell him the name. He's running.
Subscribe? I'm pretty sure I am.
Wait, Robbie, let's go under. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, go under with the camera.
Who do you think you
Who I think I am?
Thank you.
Enjoying Oceans of Fun, you two?
Yes.
How about you, Robbie?
Yes.
I know Micah likes it.
I almost died.
What have you done?
We went on a slide, and another slide.
And lazy river Caribbean cooler. What about you, Robbie? Over here is Paradise Falls.
It's freezing.
Now tell me, Robbie, you gonna go up there in this one? Tell me.
It's freezing. What?
It looks like fun. Do you think it's fun? Yeah.
And it's freezing me.
Hey, that looks cold.
We're gonna go eat some pizza hot dog.
Some hot dog pizza
Hot dog pizza.
in the wave pool.
Yeah.
Oh, they got ices over here. We got a humongous pizza. Did you? Oh, so did you.
Oh yeah. They didn't have the pizza hot dog.
No pizza hot dog, but that pizza looks actually kind of good. So, over here by the wave pool. The wave pool is not going. It's totally empty. They're not letting anybody in. We don't know why. And there's the drop slides, body slides. There they go. Shark's Revenge and Predator's Plunge. Tube slides and body slides. Up there they have 3 drop slides. Must be 48 inches tall. Oh, it's fun. There they have a raft ride. You go down that long, it winds around on this slide, and a big conveyor belt brings the rafts back up. There's Robbie. There's the second dining option, Paradise Pizza. Not a whole lot of dining places here at Oceans of Fun. Not very wavy, really. Micah, tell me, why weren't there hardly any waves?
There were no waves. The waves literally were not waving.
Like they're totally
The waves
slow.
were waving.
Huh? What did you think? Did you get in there? Did you like the waves?
No.
They were Captain Kids, although they did not play in there. It's got a little pirate ship. It's got lots of play areas for the little kids. This little pirate ship. Fun, fun. An adult pool over there. They have this fun shallow area. Slide that goes down into it. This pirate ship with slides. Slide over there. Pretty fun kids area.
Here we are at Ocean Dive 5. Ocean Dive 5. Ocean Dive 5. Ocean Dive 5.
Robbie! How was it? Okay. And the car is coming down. Alright.
You go down one. You feel for you. Hippo, hippo. Oh. Ow. Chunks. Here, look at these slides right here. Look, look. You want to go down one of the big slides? Over here.
How was your day here at Oceans of Fun?
Great here at Oceans of Fun.
Great day at Oceans of Fun?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. Hey, Micah.
Micah said he'd buy it for me.
How was your day at Oceans of Fun?
Good.
You got burned up? A little bit? Your cousins got burned.
Yeah, I hurt.
Ooh, that's cool.
Did you find spider? No, I
How
bought
was
it.
your day? How was
It
your
was
day?
good.
How was your day?
Good.
Robbie, that was a whole day at Oceans of Fun. And you got a lollipop at the end, so say goodbye.
Goodbye.